What's up guys, I'm back with another video. We are going on another long ride. Yes, a new chapter, a new journey. So we are riding to Goa right now. We in the sense, me and Manoj. Right now I'm going to the meetup point, which is next to the Pest University. So this ride was a very quick plan. We initially planned to go to Rameshwaram, Pondicherry, Dhanushkodi, like that. But then we have always been riding towards south, so why not north? You know what Manoj told me yesterday? Bro, you should wake up very quickly. We should be very quick about this timings and stuff like that. We should be very strict and all. Look at him, where is he? Okay, I'll be back after he comes.
Hi bro, how are you doing? I'm fine, let's go to Goa.
Trip reset ಮಾಡ್ದಾ? Trip reset ಮಾಡ್ದಾ? Okay, good boy. Okay, let's go. It's Goa time. Finally, we have started our ride at 4:24 a.m. Okay, so if I'm not wrong, we are taking the Shimoga road. There's actually 3 roads. One from Haveri, another from Shimoga, and another from, I don't know, what was that called as? Okay, so currently we are on the Tumkur highway. We chose to go through Shimoga. Yes, because Manoj says that that route is more scenic than the other routes. So I was like, okay, fine, let's do it. I'm fine with anything, man. I have no problems. Full. Bus. So that is the first fuel stop, 750 rupees. Okay, so we just had tea. I don't know, this is maybe about 10 kilometers away from Tumkuru. The time right now is 5:35 a.m. and we have completed 66.8 kilometers. 592 kilometers more to go. Okay, so we are taking a left from here. This goes to Shimoga. This is my first time on this road, on the bike. I've been on car. Oh, it's so cold. My hands are numb, by the way. Oh my god, it's getting colder and colder. Ooh. Okay, this is a proper fog ride right now. My rear view mirrors are fogging up. Bro, I cannot see anything. Bro, what's happening here? What happened? What is this? Oh my god. See how fast he's going? Those guys are the problem makers. This is a nice weather. I love it, but I don't have my thermal liner right now. No. How was that cinematic? It was good, right? Alright, let's go. We still have 533 kilometers more. Let's do this. The roads are not that good, to be honest with you. Lot of constructions, lot of potholes, and these annoying speed bumps. Do you guys see that accident? The truck's front tire came out. Imagine how hard it would have hit whatever it is. Maybe the side barrier. Everybody is fine, I suppose. Nothing to worry about that. My bike's exhaust is a lot louder right now. I don't know, it feels like I have an aftermarket exhaust. It's getting bassier day by day. See, this is the road. It's so irritating, man. We still have about maybe 495 kilometers. 490 kilometers. Time right now is 7:53 a.m. Yeah, we just took a break. Just to relax. We have around 460 kilometers more. Okay, we're starting to see some good roads and some good scenery. Let's go.
Kilometers.
419 kilometers. I see. A lot of plastics in here. Why? That was a good place with a lot of plastic. How was the cinematic though? This is what you guys asked for. Include a lot of cinematics, and that is why we are doing it. Yes, I had recently put an Instagram poll asking what are the improvements and changes that I should implement in my videos, and you guys wanted more cinematics, slow motion videos, stuff like that. So I was like, alright, I got you, buddy. I got you. I don't know why. I feel like I've got extra energy right now. Maybe because the sun is out. All this time it was cold and that moody climate. Now it's good. I'm hyped. Wait a minute. Are we getting 2-lane highway? Let's go. Yes. 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 Another accident. There's a second one today. Everybody is fine. That's all that matters. Holy crap, this looks beautiful. About the ride, we're gonna be staying in Goa for 3 nights. That is today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and then Wednesday we're gonna leave to Bangalore. So we have 2 full days to explore Goa. Just found this random road, so we thought we'll go inside, take some photos, and then shoot the cinematics, you know. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ನಾನು ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಫಸ್ಟು. That's it. Okay. This is the frame, guys. Look at this. We are so lucky to find this. Okay, cinematics madana. Huh? So cinematics in 3, 2, 1, go. Beautiful. Okay, we just had a lunch, a very good lunch actually. Is that Xpulse or I don't know? There's an Xpulse right behind me who wants to overtake me, but then yeah, I'm in a constant speed. I'm not letting him overtake or anything. Oh yeah, he's going right now. Yeah, they're definitely going to Goa. So the last time during my Kerala ride, I got a average mileage of about 39 kilometer per liter, including all 7 days. All right. So the first day, I got a mileage of 42. Yeah, 42 kilometer per liter. I don't know about this time. I might get around 39 or 38 because I was cruising at around 110 kilometer per hour. So yeah, so obviously it's gonna drop. I think it was a good decision choosing this road rather than the other one because we have got Ghat section in here. Why is this so satisfying? I love it. We still have about 240 kilometers, I suppose. The time right now is 2:45 p.m. Okay. Okay, we're on a proper highway right now. This goes to Gokarna, Karwar, and then Goa. So we still have 200 kilometers more. The time right now is 4:26 p.m. and we have completed 448 kilometers in total. We both are so tired right now just because the road condition was very bad, very bad. We spent all our energy till Shimoga, and after that it's the best roads ever and we don't have energy. Right now I'm gonna show no mercy. I'm gonna cruise at 100, 110 for sure. Maybe. Let's see. Roads are good right now. We have 2-lane highways. Thank God. At least we can increase our pace. We are completely tired, man. Me and Manoj, we both are completely tired. The reason is the first 200 to 250 kilometers were completely trash. There was like 5,000 humps and 26,450 potholes. And anyone who's coming to Goa through Shimoga, make sure you charge your batteries a little extra because it's tough. The one thing I noticed in here is the cows and buffaloes in here are comparatively very small than what we have in Bangalore, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. I don't know why. It's like miniature versions of the actual animal. Yeah, I'm not lying, it's true. Looks beautiful, isn't it? After all that chaos, watching this is it's like getting a plate of biryani after not eating for 2 weeks. We still have another 140 kilometers, I suppose. Yeah, 140 kilometers. Road is excellent, no doubt. Road is excellent. I love it. The scenery though, oh my god. So it's a different level. Oh my god, look at that. This is the third accident today. Holy crap. We just stopped in middle of a highway. My god. Whew, we are so tired. I'm gonna shoot a time lapse right now. Alright, so time lapse of the sunset. So time lapse in 3, 2, 1, go. Done. Come on. Right now we are in Karwar. We just passed the naval base Karwar. I didn't record there because I don't want to get into trouble, man, so I didn't record. It's getting pretty dark. We might reach there at 8 o'clock. That's my guess. Let's see. I don't know, guys. I don't know if you guys can see this, but that's the sea. Yes. Oh, that's those are the small islands, I suppose. I don't know. I'm talking as if I know this place since 20 years. No, I don't know anything. Okay, we just entered Goa right now. We just passed the check post. Alright, we are in Goa. Finally, after 15 hours of ride, we still have about 100 kilometers to our hotel. Yes, 100. We are going to the north, Goa. And also, fun fact, petrol is 7 rupees less in Goa. Yes, it is 81 in here, whereas in the other states it's 88 right now. It was 87 yesterday, today is 88. I wish my bike needed water as fuel. It would be so much fun, right? I wouldn't go back to home then. I would be touring all my life. My family would completely divorce me if I do that. I have no idea where I'm going through right now, but it's a lot of fun. I'm loving this. It's a Ghat section. I feel like I've been riding for 562.3 years right now. We still have 30 kilometers, 35 kilometers. This looks good, right? What is this? Is this bridge working? Is it a working bridge or? It's really nice though. We need to go have dinner and then crash. That's all. Wake up tomorrow morning, explore. I think it's rerouting and taking us through a long detour, but I'm not sure about it too. One thing I noticed in Goa is there's like a trillion speed bumps everywhere. So when I rode from Kerala to Bangalore, which was 7-10 kilometers, I wasn't even tired at all. Like, I was completely okay and active even at 2 a.m. So yeah, this is really tiring. I don't know why, because of the road conditions. I'll give you guys the name of the location and stuff like that in the next video, because I'm not in a mood for any of that.